How to enable or disable auto screen calls on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone application. Then we go to the top and tap on the menu button. In here, tap on Settings. Now from Settings, we go down and tap on Call Screening. After that, scroll down and tap on Auto Screen Calls. Tap on the toggle button to disable this feature or tap on it to enable it. Now tap on the left hand side panel will allow you to auto screen calls for unknown callers only or for suspected spam calls and scam calls. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.